Hey beauties, welcome to Vlogmas Day 1. Guys, it's a surprise. Last year I did Vlogmas, but it was really heavy, so this year we're going to see how everything goes. But I'm in a new setting, and if you watch the video you will know why I'm in a new setting, so make sure to watch the whole vlog. And every day I will be posting a new vlog, so make sure to be watching. And like last year, I will be posting only on weekdays, so on the weekends I will be posting shorts or I will be taking a pause. So every weekday till the 25th of December I will be posting every day, and every video is going to be a vlog. I think, yes, it's going to be a vlog. So welcome to Vlogmas Day 1. Make sure to tag everyone you know to watch the video, because I'm gonna tell you, these videos are top tier. Okay, top tier. Let's get into the video. So I totally forgot to introduce myself. If you happen to stumble on my channel, or if anyone tagged you or anyone sent the link to you, my name is Sephora Lavenberg in Dutch, and in English you say Sephora Levenberg. It's a Bible name, Sephora. But my I'm 18 years old. Wink wink. No, I'm just kidding. My mouth shakes whenever I say my age, so that's why I don't say my age. But I don't know why. I really don't know why. But I was born in 1996. Do the math. What else? I love to do videos for you guys. I love to play with my hair. That's why I do natural hair videos. But right now my hair should rest. It's in braids. Yes, I love to sing. I am a Christian. Jesus Christ. Guys, I'm not usually like this. I'm very quiet when we meet each other, but I feel like I can be myself when no one's around, and you guys, when I'm talking to the camera, you know. But let's get into the video. Bye guys. Good morning guys. I don't know if I have dry drool on my face. I'm so sorry about that. But excited news. I'm going to the US. I'm leaving tomorrow morning, and I'm so excited. You don't know how excited I am. And of course I'm going to vlog for you guys. My hair is in braids right now. That's why I have on this long bonnet. This long bonnet comes in very handy, but that's not what we're here to talk about. Guys, I am so excited. Guys, I'm traveling. So right now I'm busy packing. I'm leaving tomorrow morning and I haven't packed anything yet. So I ordered a bunch of stuff off of Amazon. I think I will do a separate video on that. Like this, packing stuff, like stuff for my jewelry and other stuff. I think I will make a separate video on that. But right now I'm trying to figure out this tripod like the HG100 TBR, the tripod. So I'm trying to figure out. My camera is mounted on it, so I'm going to use that a lot in the US. I'm not going to tell you yet where I'm going, so you can figure out where I'm going. Okay, so now I am busy packing up. I'm busy packing my camera gear. So let me show you. So I actually bought a camera bag.
Wait, let me show you. I bought a camera bag to bring all my cameras. I actually already had one, but this one is too small. Please don't ask me why I buy everything in pink, even though my favorite color is not pink. But this was so cute and is so cute. So this is the bag I bought for my camera. Like, you can store all your it's so handy, y'all. You can store all your camera stuff in here. I think this is for the ring, and this is like to organize it. This is where your camera, your laptop can go, and my laptop fits perfectly. So I'm so excited about that. I will watch a video on how to store the camera, because this is difficult to, you know, so I will do that. This is my suitcase. Nothing has been done yet. So I also want to put up my Christmas tree, because today is the 23rd of December. We're leaving on Thanksgiving Day and we're arriving on Thanksgiving Day. So when I arrive there, you will hear more about it. So tomorrow I will be in the US. I'm so happy. What else? Yes, when I'm there, I'm going to vlog and show you and tell you more what's going to go on. So now I'm going to charge all my batteries, and actually, oh yeah, did I tell you I'm going to put up my Christmas tree? I'm going to put up my Christmas tree because I am arriving on the 6th of December. So I already want to be in the Christmas period, because I know for sure when I'm there, I'm going to be in the Christmas period. So yes, thank you guys so much. So guys, I'm going to place you here and y'all can watch what the hell I'm doing, okay? What the hell it is I'm doing. Bye guys, I can't seem to figure this out, so okay.
Launching B3 and thrust for 80.
We're at the airport now. We're boarding. We're going to board. Hey! So I'm so happy. I'm finally traveling again after so long. So happy. My hair is looking a bit wild, but yes. It's taking a lot of me to vlog in public, so yes. It's my sissy-in-law. Hi guys, and she's so pretty. And then you have my brothers over there. They're buying awesome stuff.
It's good, you feel me? We're going to America. It's my fourth? No. My fourth. Yeah, anyway, it's her second time. Her channel. Feel me? You got anything to say? You feel me?
Welkom aan boord van vlucht PY421 naar Georgetown, Guyana en Miami. De vliegtijd naar onze eerste bestemming Georgetown is 40 minuten. Dames en heren, zoals u heeft gemerkt, wordt deze vlucht uitgevoerd door de chartermaatschappij genaamd grwm. De bemanning is volledig van deze maatschappij en zal met u in het Engels communiceren. Indien u vragen heeft over Suriname Airways of over deze vluchtuitvoering, dan bent u te alle tijden bij mij terecht voor informatie. Zometeen zal Purser Costas u de veiligheidsvoorschriften van dit vliegtuig voorhouden. Wij vragen u deze aandacht te volgen.
Welcome everybody. So this is our hotel room. So I'm going to give you a room tour. So first, when you walk in, you have this, how do you call this sink area where you can, I think, make a lot of stuff. I don't know. We have a little fridge over here. You can make tea. We have all sorts of accessories over here. And over here we have a desk area. So I think I will be editing for you guys on here. And this room has 2 beds. We're with 4 people, so we're going to check how we're going to do that. Who will be sleeping with who? We have bed number 1, very nice, and bed number 2. My brother already laid on here. That's lights. And here we have a TV area. I don't know what this space is called. And here we have another space. The room is very nice, and here we have a lounging area, and I like this space. So, and here we have the view. Come check out the view. Very nice. If you can see over there, we have a pool. So maybe later on we will go swimming. And here we have the bathroom. So I will be so there is no mirror here, but we have a bathtub and a standing shower. So I will be taking a bath later on. Here we have the toilet, very cozy. What didn't I show? Did I show this area? Yes. Yes, that was it for our hotel room tour. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We will be going to get something to eat later on, so yes. So here we have brother number 1.
Number 2.
Number 2. What's your name?
I'm the God, the only.
Shut up, brother number 2. What's your name?
Timothy.
Timothy. Say hi. Here we have the lovely couple. Say hi. Hi. Here's my lovely sister Donker. Here we have my lovely sis-in-law. What's your name?
Tehila.
And here we have my big bro. Say hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Huh?
What's your name?
The boss.
Yeshua.
So we're with 4 people and we're going to have an amazing time.